Hi, Krystal. It's Ashley, and we are on Module 2, and we are trucking right along. Just so you know, I'm petrified of screencast, so I jumble over my words and forget what I'm saying and forget what my name is on here, so just be prepared for that at any given time. First of all, your piece set the standard for what I felt like the professor was looking for because it was absolutely amazing. I just feel like you're an amazing writer, and I really appreciate you sharing this with me, and it really opened my eyes even more to how important the writing environment is. So I have nothing bad to say, and I know in your author's agenda you said you'd like some feedback about the emphasis of the writing environment, and I have nothing negative to say about your piece. It was really, really well written. I highlighted things for positive reasons just because I kind of wanted to go through and kind of just tell you what these things made me think of. In the first paragraph where it says it's safe here, that is so important to me. Now I teach kindergarten, and obviously we don't do a lot of writing pieces in kindergarten, but when we do, I want them to know that it's okay to make mistakes, it's okay to mess up, it's okay to misspell a word, it's okay to just be themselves. And I'm going to tie that into the last paragraph where it says, this is your version, it belongs to you. And that's what I say over and over and over. Do your best. This is your thing. This is your piece. You make it whatever you want it to be. And I student taught in 4th through 6th grade. And I tried to do the same thing. You know, as teachers, that's what we want, is a safe environment for our kids, especially an environment that they feel safe messing up in, and, you know, having to look for that connection with children is the most important thing, just to make them feel safe in any environment that they have with us. The second paragraph is highlighted because I just loved everything about it. There is no rush. Forget the deadlines for a moment. Just remember what you want to stay. Take the time to think through how you can say it in the most powerful, booming voice you have. This isn't an assembly line of tiredness. We have opportunities to stay and try and try. We will persevere as we use our everything for the moment of impact, colorful words spilling out in black ink. As I just read that, I'm almost wondering if it's supposed to say stay here or if it's supposed to say. There is no rush. Forget the deadlines for a moment. Just remember what you want to say, I think is what's supposed to be right there. So maybe just take that one letter out. But your piece was really, really well written, and I think it's organized really well, and I think you did a great job. And I just think that our little group of 3 is really doing a great job throughout this course, and I guess I'll see you next week, Module 3. Have a good rest of your weekend.